Did you know that some of the most commonly held beliefs about cars are flat out wrong? Whether you're an experienced driver or a total beginner, chances are you've fallen for at least one automotive myth. Today, we're going deep, unraveling fact from fiction as we bust some of the world's most persistent car misconceptions. Myth 1. Let's start with a wallet burner, the idea that pumping premium fuel makes any car run better. It's everywhere, at the gas station, on forums, even from well-meaning friends. The truth is, unless your vehicle's owner's manual specifically calls for high-octane fuel, you're wasting money. Higher octane resists knock in high-compression engines found in performance or turbo cars. For the most vast majority of vehicles, premium gas does nothing to improve power, efficiency, or engine health. Save your money for your next road trip or car wash. Myth 2. Here's one drilled into us for decades. Oil must be changed every 3,000 miles. Once necessary for older engines and oil formulas, this standard is outdated. Modern motor oils, especially synthetics, can last 5,000, 7,500, or even 10,000 miles between changes. Always check your owner's manual, as manufacturers set oil change intervals to fit the engine's design and testing. Over-servicing wastes oil and money, while under-servicing can damage your engine, so follow the science, not rumors. Myth 3. You need to warm up your car for minutes before driving. Back in the day, carbureted engines needed time to warm up. Modern fuel-injected engines do not. Even in cold weather, 30 seconds to a minute is plenty. In fact, your engine warms up faster when you start driving gently right away, improving efficiency and minimizing pollution. Prolonged idling just wastes gas and increases wear, so skip the long warm-up. Myth 4. Manual transmissions always get better fuel economy than automatics. This may have been true decades ago, but technology has changed the game. Modern automatics with more gears, dual clutches, and advanced computers often match or even surpass manuals for fuel economy. The difference can be slim or even in favor of the automatic, especially with CVTs and newer designs. Don't pick your transmission based on old advice. Test drive and check the latest stats. Myth 5. Red cars cost more to insure and get more speeding tickets. Red cars are cop magnets. We've all heard it. The idea that color alone affects your insurance premium or how often you get pulled over is false. Insurance rating factors include car type, engine size, driver history, and location. Similarly, studies show no proof that red cars attract more tickets. Drive how you want and choose whatever color you like. Myth 6. AWD is essential for all weather and conditions. Many buyers think all-wheel drive is a magic bullet for snow, rain, or any rough surface. Truth is, AWD improves acceleration and stability in low traction, but it doesn't help you stop faster or turn better. Tires and driver skill are more important for maintaining control in bad weather. If you want to stay safe, invest in good tires for your climate, use proper driving techniques, and don't let AWD trick you into false confidence. Myth 8. Bigger cars are always safer. Yes, size and weight matter in collisions, but modern safety engineering can make small cars surprisingly safe. Crash structure, airbags, braking technology, and crash avoidance systems play as big a role as mass. Many small or mid-size cars now earn top safety ratings. Don't assume a large SUV is always safer than a modern compact. Check crash test results for any car you consider. Myth 9. More expensive tires last longer and improve fuel economy. Premium tires can offer better grip or performance, but longevity depends on the tire's rubber compound, tread design, and what you use the car for. Some high-end performance tires actually wear much faster than cheaper touring tires. Similarly, eco tires are designed to reduce rolling resistance and save fuel, but the difference is often small unless you drive very high annual mileage. Buy tires based on your needs, weather, driving style, and the car's specs, not just price. Myth 10. Engine additives and fuel treatments are essential. Walk into any auto parts store and you'll see shelves of miracle liquids that claim to boost power, improve gas mileage, or extend engine life. While some products have value for specific issues, like fuel injector cleaners and high-mileage cars, the majority are unnecessary with today's quality fuels and oils. Stick to regular maintenance and good quality fluids, and you'll keep your engine happy. Myth 11. Electric vehicles are more likely to catch fire. While battery fires in EVs make big headlines, statistics show modern electric vehicles are no more likely, possibly even less likely, to catch fire than gasoline cars. Automakers invest heavily in battery safety, and strict standards regulate battery, chassis, and crash protection. Both types of vehicles present unique risks, but fires of any kind remain extremely rare per mile traveled. Myth 12. SUVs and pickups are always better off-road. You might assume that having a giant SUV or pickup means you can tackle any terrain, but not all large vehicles are engineered for proper off-roading. All-terrain tires, locking differentials, proper clearance, and a robust 4x4 drivetrain are crucial. Many modern SUVs are optimized for on-road comfort and struggle in genuine mud or rocky trails. Know your vehicle's actual limits before heading into the wild. Myth 13. Letting your car idle recharges the battery faster. Some believe it's helpful to let your car idle for a while to recharge the battery, especially after a jump start. In reality, idling doesn't provide enough current to fully recharge a deeply discharged battery. Driving at normal speeds is far more effective, and if your battery's having trouble holding a charge, it may need replacement. Myth 14. Filling up gas in the morning gets more fuel for your money. This myth is built on the premise that cold gasoline is denser, so you'd get more for your money if you filled up in the morning. But fuel pumps are calibrated to deliver the same quantity despite temperature, and underground storage tanks keep fuel cool and stable throughout the day. Time of day makes no noticeable difference, so fill up whenever it's convenient for you. Myth 15. All 4 tires must be replaced at once. It's important for safety and handling to have properly matched tires on the same axle, but you don't always have to replace all 4 at the same time unless your car is an AWD or 4WD that requires matched rolling diameters. For most two-wheel drive vehicles, you can replace pairs or singles as needed, provided the others are still within safe tread limits. Myth 16. Newer automatics damage easily from shifting to neutral at lights. Some drivers have long believed that shifting to neutral at stoplights prolongs transmission life or saves fuel. For most modern automatics, there is no added benefit, and frequent shifting between drive and neutral may actually increase wear. Just keep your car in drive at stoplights, the impacts are negligible. Myth 17. You should warm up your car's engine in winter for 5 to 10 minutes. A quick repetition of an earlier myth, modern engines and synthetic oils mean a short 30 to 60 second warm-up is enough, even in cold weather. Excessive idling just wastes gas and pollutes more. Start up, clear your windows, and drive gently until everything is at optimal temperature. Myth 18. More horsepower means a faster car. Horsepower grabs headlines, but it's only part of the performance puzzle. Weight, gearing, torque delivery, traction, and aerodynamics all play huge roles. That's why some cars with less power can out-accelerate or out-handle supposedly stronger rivals. Always take manufacturer figures with context. Myth 19. Jet fuel or racing fuel in your tank makes your car faster. Jet fuel is not suitable for car engines, and racing fuel can actually damage road-going engines unless specifically tuned for it. Use the fuel your manufacturer recommends and avoid expensive exotic brews unless you're on a racetrack with the right tech. Myth 20. Washing your car with dish soap is fine. Some people reach for dish soap thinking it gets the grime off better, but dish soap strips away protective waxes and can dull your car's paint over time. Always use proper car wash soap, products designed to clean without damaging your finish or protection layers. The world of cars is packed with myths passed down from generation to generation, but the best driving experience comes from learning the facts. Whether it's saving money, keeping your car in peak condition, or just holding your own in a friendly debate, knowledge is true horsepower. Share this video with anyone who still clings to old rumors, and keep your car knowledge tuned up for the road ahead. If you love this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe and drop your favorite or funniest car myth in the comments below. Stay curious, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next video.